Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive data visualizations in R using two powerful libraries, that is ggplot2 and plotly. Visualizations like these make your data engaging and more easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open your R Studio. Now in the console, you first need to get some necessary libraries installed in order to see the graphical plot. So run install .packages and type ggplot. First run these commands and you will find the packages getting installed. After you have got this command executed and the package is installed, then run the new command, which is plotly. Since I have already got the packages installed on my system, so I'm not running these commands again. And after executing these two commands, you will see all the necessary packages that are related to the plot getting installed on your system. Now, once you have the packages installed in your system, now I'm going to show you the plot for the empty cars dataset, which contains data on 32 car models. So let's first visualize this dataset in Excel sheet. The reason for choosing this dataset is that this dataset is a built-in dataset in R, so you don't need to explicitly load in your file. So let's first view this dataset in order to get an idea. Empty cars. And you can see the dataset has been opened in my Excel file sheet. Which shows different variables on the top, and on the left hand column we have the different car models: Mazda, RX-4, Datsun, and so on. Now let's create a basic plot with the ggplot2. So open the script file, R script. You need the libraries first, the ones that we have just installed. Similarly, the plotly library. Now let's create a basic plot with the ggplot2. So this ggplot2 will create a scatter plot that shows the relationship between cars weight and miles per gallon. So here in the dataset we have cars per weight and miles per gallon. So in between these two variables, I'm going to show you the scatter plot. Type in your code, the dataset name, so on the x-axis I'm going to put the weight, and on the y-axis miles per gallon variable. Plus geom point in order to add a reference line. Plus labs. The title of my plot will be car weight versus miles per gallon. Then x-axis will be labeled with weight and y-axis will be labeled as miles per gallon. And color for the cylinder variable. So we are plotting cylinder variable as a factor. That means it will show you the different levels of this variable. Theme, let's keep it minimal. So now let's make this plot interactive by using the Plotly. So use Plotly. Let's assign it a variable first. Interactive plot, and let's pass this p variable in which we have used for the ggplot as a parameter to this Plotly function. Now let's display our interactive plot. Save this file. Now run this. Now you can see this interactive plot have been plotted on the right hand side section, where on the x-axis we have the weight and on the y-axis we have the miles per gallon, and the title of the graph is car weight versus miles per gallon. And we can see the cylinders plotted in different colors. So you can see the individual cylinder also by clicking on the respective one. If you click on this, all of them will be highlighted. So now with this interactive plot, you can hover over points to see details, zoom in, and even export this plot as an image. So here on the top, you have the export option where you can even export this plot as an image. So this is great for presentations and reports if you want to visualize your data in an interactive form. So in just a few steps, we have created a beautiful and interactive data visualization. You can try this out with your own data sets and take your visualizations to the next level. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more R programming tips. Thank you.